Well, this is disappointing. I just got my old knife back from Victorinox. It was from Marlboro originally, cigarettes, when they were doing the Marlboro Mile promotion. And not only am I missing old parts, the old parts they sent me, I think they sent me a whole new knife. They make it sound like they're going to clean and repair your old one, but doesn't seem that way to me. I have the parcel hook now, which I never had before. Don't remember having. I have the Phillips, which was there. I have the chisel, which was there. I have the awl, which was there. I think that was all that was there before. Apparently I should have taken pictures of my old knife before I sent it. I was missing the split ring because I had taken it off for some reason to use somewhere or on something else. I have the flathead, which I had originally, the can opener, which I had originally. I got pliers, which I had originally. I got the scissors, which I had originally. I have the metal cutting saw, hacksaw, I guess, with the file, which I had. And then I have the two large and small blade, which I had originally. But that's it. I don't think they put any old parts into the new knife. They just took a probably new old stock and sent it to me. This is the new knife. I'll see if I can open everything one-handed. Well, let me pause the video. Alrighty, continuing on. The awl with the sewing hole was the hardest to get out. Extremely hard. But this is it. Phillips, chisel, parcel hook, awl, large knife, can opener, small knife, metal cutting saw, pliers, scissors, and the bottle opener and flathead screwdriver. So they didn't send me all the old parts because I'm missing the old awl, the old wood chisel, the old can opener, and the old small knife with the broken tip. The new knife says Officier Swiss or however it's pronounced. It's French. I looked it up, so it means it's an officer's knife. It was an officer's knife. The old one on the large blade says the same thing. So there must be two different models or variations of the same knife. But why do they tell you they're going to take it apart, put the parts in a parts cleaner, and all this stuff if they aren't going to do it? And why bother asking you if it's got sentimental value? Because I would have rather had the complete old knife with only what needed to be replaced, along with the some of the original stuff. So I don't know. I don't get it. But okay, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.